Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to agricultureinformation.com webinar. Today we are going to interact with Mr. Abdul Qadar on garden nutrients for home, hotel and resorts. And the format of the webinar will be as follows. I will mute everyone in the audience except Mr. Abdul. Mr. Abdul will make his presentation. After we listen to him, we can ask our questions. And you can ask your questions by typing your questions in the chat box. Or you can also email me at ed@agricultureinformation.com. I repeat, E for English, D for Delhi @agricultureinformation.com, ed@agricultureinformation.com. And I'll ask those questions to Mr. Abdul. And if we have time, I may unmute one or two members in the audience and you can directly talk to Mr. Abdul. Mr. Abdul, I am unmuting you now. You can start your talk.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, good. Good. My name is Abdul. I am just running a company called SAF, Sustainable Agricultural Farming Systems. It's purely a microorganic, microorganism building, manufacturing and marketing company, where we have, I lead the marketing and the technological sector of this. So that's my short profile. Okay, so basically the agenda behind today's discussion is to have a short brief about our product called Garden Nutrient. So which is basically a product which is built on the base of vermicompost, high quality vermicompost. On top of it, we have added a microorganism which could be yielding a much better result to the gardens and the farms as well as the home gardens which you are building across your trees. So basically, these products can be used for home gardens which you have it at home. So you can just spray them, just spread across the details. The products once in a week or maximum 10 days. If 6 months or one rose flower pot if you have at home, so you can use just 75 to 100 grams per week. That's more than enough, because this product contains the organic matter which is basically available from your vermicompost. On top of it, you also have certain microorganism component added, which will regularly use to get the organic carbon and the plant required NPK. So it is made up of that. The product is also constrained, built up of with the immune building system, which is called to prevent any disease or the the pest attacking from the plant. So basically, we use something called the Amarpa silica, and we use also the fungicides, which can be basically avoiding the diseases. So it's a mixture of microorganism products in the base of vermicompost, which is high quality. So this can be handled easily by anybody. It is just man handling even. So there is no chemical added to it. That is this is a pure organic product. And this product has been, it is in the process of certifying with the Indian Society for Organic Products. So this is being done. So we are in the final stage. In a month's time, we will be able to, get the certification of this product. Okay, so this product can be used in hotels, restaurants, resorts, or you have at a home garden or terrace garden. Even if you have some sort of a parts of the in your homes. So this can be used very simple, easily. We have a products packing available in terms of 3 kgs, and also we have available in 40 kgs. So for the large resorts and lawns, so if you want to use them. So this is a product which we manufacture ourselves, and we ensure the quality is up to the standard of Indian Organic Society. Okay, so we do only with the microorganism enriched products. Okay, so we also have many other ranges of microorganism products, which is for the agricultural farming. So maybe we It is already available in the agricultureinformation.com. So if anybody wants particularly in details about the products, they can contact agricultureinformation.com. So if anyone needs any further technical questions, you can ask me or send a mail across agricultureinformation.com. Okay, so this is what I have. So if anyone has any questions, you can ask me.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Abdul. Audience, you can ask your questions now. Okay, Mr. Abdul, I received some questions via email. Here is the first question. Are you providing user-friendly instructions on the packaging to these garden nutrients?
Exactly. You know, the package which is 3 kg for the home use, it will have exactly what has to be done. So unpack it. It is just you know, if it is a plant, you just use one hand, you know, pull up your hand and every 10 to 15 days based on the size of the plant. So we have given the usage of the products on the product packing itself. So you can use them, and also the product has the content what it has, you know, in terms of minerals or the nutrients tested, so which will have in percentage as well. So this is there.
Okay. Okay, Geeta has one question. For which all varieties of plants or crops can your products be used?
You know, this is basically an organic product which is a balanced NPK, which is called nitrogen, phosphorus, potash. So this is a balanced product. So you can use it for any crops. Generally, in a home, you know, home garden, so you would have something like a flower pots, you know, rose pots, or the, you know, any environmental, sorry, the ornamental plants inside. So you can use for any pots, and for, if you look at the crops, you can use it for you know, grasses, or the, you know, if you look at for the crops, you can use for paddy, or you can use for even horticultural plants like a mango or papaya, or you know, or the sapotas. So horticultural plants can be used. So in terms of your domestic or the resorts, you can pretty well use this for lawns. So you have a grass lawn or something which you have a bigger garden, you can use them very well.
Okay. Okay, there is another question. Ray Raj is asking, I would like to start a small garden in my home terrace. Can this be used?
Absolutely. You know, this is the support for what we offer right now. Okay, so we also go with some of the people here in Pondicherry, where we have our field officers go and provide a consultancy to build organic, you know, gardens across the home. And in terms of if you want to use it for your gardens, the product is intended for garden and lawns. So you can pretty well use this without any problems. So you can contact us if you need any consultancy as well. Okay.
Okay. Geeta has two questions. It can be used only for home garden, and and it should be used as a space sprayer.
No, it is not a liquid based. Okay, so basically it is a powder based product. So you can have to be, you know, for, if you have a pot or a home garden, you just need to, you know, spray it across. So let's say assume that you have a 10 by 10 home garden with a grass. You need to use around 1.5 kg every 15 days to maintain your greenness or the green part of the grass. So it is just a powder base. You just need to spray it simply on throw it out on your regular 10 days to 1 week to 10 days interval. Okay, that's what you need to do. It is not a liquid. You don't need to spray across. But if you are intended to have a liquid, we have a liquid which is another range of a product. Basically, we do that for the agricultural thing. So we can also use it in that fashion. So this is particularly made for gardens, you know, in homes, as well as the you know, in the lawns and resorts and hotels, and, you know, any official gardens or stuff like that, so that it can be just sprayed a little bit on the as a powder across the plant.
Okay. Okay. Another question via email. If the garden nutrient is used, will it eliminate the use of fertilizer for healthy growth of plants?
Of course, this is the intention of we building the garden nutrient. Okay, so the garden nutrient basically what it does is it gives for the short term. In technical details, what I used to call is short term. You need a NPK is used for building the the short term urea, potash, or DAP, whatever you call it, whatever you use it. So it's called short term providing a food for the plant or crops or anything. Okay, so but what we do is we provide a short term in terms of a a carrier material which is called vermicompost, and the long term where we have the microorganism built in. So if you look at the space or the atmospheric situation, you have 76% of your nitrogen present available in your space. So in this case, what the microorganism does is, say when they get the food for the organic matter we used to call, and they start to grow, and they basically absorb the nitrogen from the atmospheric level and then try to give them to the plants continues to grow. So that's why we build in a longer term the microorganism building on the soil or the pot, so that the microorganism takes care of your the plant growth and other aspects in the longer term. So over a period of time, the objective of this particular garden nutrient is to reduce the NPK, the synthetic NPK component, and you don't need to use on a highly chemical thing. You can use very minimal if it is needed. So over more than 2-3 years, if you started using, so you will not be needed your NPK component to add at all. So this is purely an organic methodology.
Okay. Okay, there is another question. What should be the frequency of use of these nutrients for the season?
Yeah, actually, it is. This is basically we recommend 1 week to 10 days. So if you if you have a big mango horticulture, mango plant at your home, okay, which is more than 3 years, which is started yielding. So you need to use at least monthly 1 kg. Whereas you have only a small home garden, which is around 10 to 15 pots, where it is having a rose or any flowery culture. So you can just use 100 grams per every 7 to 10 days duration. Whereas if you have a 10 by 10 grass garden, you can use 1 to 1.5 kg. So based on the grass areas. So that is what between 10 to 7 to 10 days.
Okay. And do you have any tie-up with any nursery to promote the sales?
Yeah, we have a tie-up with nurseries across Pondicherry as well as with some of the areas where we are, in Chennai, nearby Chennai, Kalpakkam, something called Iruvai, and we have nursery gardens across in Pondicherry. So basically, we have so many nursery peoples promoting these products. So, but we are looking at direct selling as well as through agricultureinformation.com. Where they can people across India can use this to get a beneficial out of the product.
Okay. And Geeta has question. Geeta and Joyraj, what is the minimum pack quantity and what are the benefit of using your nutrients?
Yeah, minimum, the packing quantity is 3 kg, so which comes in a handy bag. Okay, so basically the benefits or the application is it is enriched balanced nutrients for the plants and growth for the long-term sustainability of the plant. Okay, so it also enables the plant to build a self-resistivity and immune system to recover from the soil. So basically what we do is we have a product which is building basically a immune in an organic way, which we used to call a silica-based material, which is an organic amorphous silica, and which basically builds the immunity on the disease prevention and also it has an environmental stress recovery. So these are, this is something which is uniqueness, and also helps to build the self protection from the pest and the insects. So normally over a period of time, once the immune is built, so the pest and the plant, insects cannot attack this plant what you have used garden nutrient. So it is a high growth for the flowers and the vegetables which you are using, and it is basically improves the organic carbon in the soil, provides a constant output without much of maintenance cost. Okay, 100% organic, and it is an eco-friendly environment product. And the best thing is it minimizes the water consumption of the plant. You don't need to water for so many hours or so many pots. You just need to just maintain a little bit moisture. Once the moisture level is okay, so the organisms will take care of providing the respective thing. So again, it is for reduce over a period of time. You can reduce in the cost level the NPK component, which is a synthetic, which you regularly use, which can be reduced.
Okay. And Duraraj wants to know, once the pack is open, how to preserve it? Any special thing?
Okay, so it is not having, you don't, nothing will evaporate. That's one thing. So this is a content which, but you should not keep directly under sunlight. This is the only constraint we have, and you should not mix with any chemical. So these are the two cautions you have to maintain with the product. Keeping the product range of 11 months is the duration of the, once you buy from the product date till the expiry is 11-month duration. Okay, so during that time, once you used, keep it under the sunshade or any shaded areas inside the room. But you don't need to take care of anything else. You can just cover it normally. Nothing will affect. Okay.
Okay. Geeta is asking how frequently nutrients to be sprayed to the plants.
As I said earlier, it is 7 to 10 days. Every 7 to 10 days, you need to keep applying that, so that that they get proper. They get a proper food on a regular basis to the microorganisms. So it's a 7 to 10 days is the duration.
Okay. And okay, we have another question. Does it make the plant garden free resistant to routine diseases?
See. Okay, so basically we, in a general example, I want to take it up is, we give our kids for, the immune development system on an early stage to build the immunity when we grow. So basically, even the plant has to be considered in the same way. So we build the resistivity by the soil so that we don't get the diseases which is regularly coming, like white pest, or which could be a disease based on the fungal infections. So those things we build based on the immune system development. If there is an infection which is affecting your by the nearby plants or something like that, that has to be examined and that has to be given a particular dosage of it. But we can rectify. I would say 80% of the regular impact which is coming due to the immunity less of the plants can be reduced, and 20% still happen, but that has to be addressed based on the case by case.
Okay. 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 Geeta had one question. Is your product available in all states?
The product is right now available in few areas through our agents. Tamil Nadu, it is available by fully, okay, wherever we can possibly ship it up. And Pondicherry, of course, that is our regional place. And we also look at Mysore, Karnataka we have, and Bangalore, some places we have, okay. But we are looking to all over India to promote this product across through agricultural information and some of the distributors. We are working it out across even for Maharashtra as well as for in Punjab. So rest of the countries right now we don't. I mean, rest of the states we don't have, but we are expecting somebody who can take this, lead this up.
Okay. Duraivaj wants to know the price and whether you'll be able to send it via courier. Price of 3 kg.
Yeah, price, you know that you have to, since if you are coming through agricultureinformation.com, maybe Rajini ma'am can provide you. Just ask, the product is there in that, so we can provide it to you. It's very bare minimal. The MRP is 125 rupees is the 3 kg cost, and of course the transport cost will be extra. If it is a courier, it's going to be more. So we can send it to you across based on the location where you are, and the shipping cost has to be sent, paid by the user separately.
Okay. And Geeta had question, do you have your own manufacturing unit?
Yeah, this is purely our product. We manufacture our own, we test it our own, and it is being qualified by Indian Society of Organic Products, ISCA. So is the organic authority which is being qualified by this. So this is, we have our own manufacturing.
Okay. Mr. Duraraj is from Chennai. Okay. Okay, there was another question. Okay, Mr. Duraraj. And how many years this product is in the market?
This product is in the market for the past 1.5 years, and it has been supplied to all over nurseries and other areas, and we have got particularly very positive responses for the past 1.5 years in the nurseries and the regional people who is using it. So the product basically available in the market for the past 1.5 years. Hello.
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 Yeah. Can you? Okay. Does it make the plants in garden free resistant to routine diseases?
Yeah, it is. That's what I said earlier. So 80% of the routine diseases can be minimized. Like, you will have, if you have a white pest which is covered in your, in the stem of the rose plant, if you look at it, okay. So we used to call mealybugs, or the bugs which is covered, white flies. So that one can be minimized drastically, because that comes when you don't have an immune system on your plant. They come and attack on the neck of your buds, or neck of your any leaf system which you have on your stem. So basically that over a period of time we have seen that can be reduced into minimum. Okay, so that is one thing. And the diseases where the turning of the leaves, you will find a black dots, which is basically comes from a bacteria. So that covers due to the fungal protection which we give from the enrichment. Okay, so the majority of the diseases can be recovered, but again, if there is something special which is unique to yours, or something which is severe in your areas, so or the plant or crops, so you have to look at, if you can send me a particular picture of that, we can investigate and see what is that could be rectified using organically. So we have our R&D in our office, so we can see what is the problem.
Okay. And how different is this garden nutrient from soil nutrients as used in farming?
See, I'm not sure which soil nutrients you are looking at. If it is a synthetic nutrients, which is micronutrient, we used to call magnesium sulfate, all these things. That is called a micronutrients in the farming, we used to say. So they are required very minimal. But ours is purely a microorganism on a vermicompost base. So it is completely different concept. We don't use any chemical to build this. So we have to have the microorganism building technology in your soil, where the soil gets all the enriched with this microorganisms. Then the products gets into its own immune system and the microorganism building. So which soil becomes sustainable by nature. So that's how we differentiate our products. It's not we are not using any soil nutrient in terms of micronutrients. We are not using any NPK, which is called micronutrients like urea, potash, or phosphate, or DAP, anything which is there. So it is completely a microorganism based. That's how we different from the regular soil nutrient we used to call it up using a synthetic technology.
Rita has one question. Apart from garden nutrients, do you have any other products for agri crops?
Yeah, we have around 41 products. This is particularly for the garden nutrient. Is basically for